Looking for your own little slice of paradise in Coventry? Say hello to Eden Square, the ultimate student haven. Located on Stoney Stanton Rd, this award-winning student accommodation offers a range of spacious ensuite rooms that comes with a shared kitchen and living area for those who love to socialize, or self-contained studio rooms with their own mini kitchens for those who prefer a little more privacy. No matter what you opt for, each room here comes complete with a comfortable bed, wardrobe, large bay windows, private ensuite bathroom, study space, and heaps of storage options. In addition, the property also features a great range of social areas, including a state-of-the-art gym, study zones, cinema, and karaoke room, along with a private courtyard and a vibrant multimedia lounge. With Coventry University only a 10-minute walk away and City College Coventry just a hop, skip, and jump away, getting to class is a breeze. And with easy access to transportation, the city's best restaurants and bars, Eden Square is the perfect base for exploring everything this vibrant city has to offer. Don't wait for another second to discover the paradise that is Eden Square. Check out all the ongoing offers and book your dream student home today at amberstudent.com.